Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Scramble Game Show. Tonight, we're having our end-of-year party. We have invited a whole group of kids and family to be with us together in the studio. And we're going to have what we call a party hat balloon. In a short while, I'll be inviting the kids down to come down with me to make some party hats. But for now, I just want to show the audience at home how we're going to be doing these party hats. Basically, we'll be using balloons, which are what we call the twisters. And you're going to use a pump to blow it. For those of you at home, remember, never ever blow the balloon with your mouth. Always use a pump because it's very dangerous if something were to happen and the balloon gets into your mouth and you're going to choke. So basically what I'm going to show you is hat number one, which is very easy to make. It's what we call the adjustable hat. You could adjust to your head size, whatever size it is. And all you need are two balloons, and you kind of inflate one almost all the way. Just leave a little bit of what we call its tail. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a bubble. And hopefully the balloon's not going to burst, but we'll see. You make one bubble, and you make another bubble. You're going to hold on to the bubble so they don't untwist, and then you just twist this together, just like that, and you're going to lock it in, okay? And we're going to make another one exactly the same way, and this time I'll use green. So it's kind of like a holiday color, the red and green. And I'm going to pump it again. I'm going to leave a little bit of a tail. Why we leave a tail is because when you twist the balloon, the air is going to go into the tail, so it's not going to pop. All right, and we're going to tie a knot. And then again, whoa! And then again, we're going to make a bubble, just like that. And you make another bubble. By the end of the show, everybody will be able to make this hat. Right, boys and girls? Okay. So now, we have two of these. How we put them together is very much like a square knot. If you are in scouting, you would know. So you're going to put the two bubbles this way. You're going to put this in, grab it here, and you're going to grab the other one that way. And you're going to just pull it. See that? So depending on the size of your head, if you have a big head, or if you have a small head, you can just pull it. And you're going to do this. See that? Okay, so that's hat number one. You can do it in whatever color you want. And now we're going to do hat number two. Hat number two is a lot of fun because some of you, I can see you've already done hat number two and you've done a lot of great designs there. So let's show the people at home how we do it. Basically, you do a bubble again. And then you kind of like have to measure the size of your head. So if your head's a big head, you got to have a bigger loop. So you do that, and then you're going to twist them together. Okay? Now, practice really makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you get at it. It's really not that difficult. So basically, it's like that. That's the base of your hat. And you can add stuff to it. Now, what I did was I did a little animal here. And what you can do is you can put the animal through, just like that. So you can sit on your hat, helmet, whatever you want to call it, just like this. That's kind of, see that? He's sitting right there. See that? And I'm going to make a bubble at the end because I have to anchor it to the helmet here, to the base. So we'll twist it around. For those of you who don't really like to hear balloons popping, these balloons are very good balloons. They're professional quality, so they don't pop as much. And then you have a hat like that. See that? Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to invite some boys and girls down with me, and they're going to stand here and they're going to make some hats, and you can watch them. So boys and girls, why don't you come down? And I also have some special heart balloons if anybody wants to add it on to your designs. There are pumps on the table. There's lots of balloons. So let's see what you've made. Look at that. Now, is that cool? What kind of a hat is this? Do you have a name for your hat? No? Now, do you want to add anything else to it?
Yes.
Okay, good. And anybody else who wants to add, just take a pump, take a balloon. Okay, there's plenty of them there, and you can add on to it. And if you want some hearts, I have some hearts here. You want to scoot down a little bit so everyone can get some space here? If you need help, just ask me. What would you like to do?
Can you make it like a balloon on one of them, like
You want to put another balloon on? Okay, all right. And the people down there, do you know what to do? Just grab a pump, grab a balloon, and then start blowing. And at the end, we're going to take a vote. The audience, you're going to vote. Okay, who's got the funniest looking hat, the most creative hat, and what else should we have? You need a heart? Here, he needs a heart. Right in here. Hang on, ready?
Can you make it go that way?
Okay, let's see. Like a long stick?
Yeah.
Oops. Okay. Now, I like that hat. What kind of hat is that?
I think it looks like a factory.
A factory? Very nice. Okay, what do you want to do? Just
I
stick
wanna
out like
make
this?
that- Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Okay,
another
all right.
one
You
like
hold the
that.
hat.
And another one like that.
Okay, what you have to always start off with is a bubble. And hopefully it's not going to burst because you put a lot of stuff there. Okay. How's that? That good?
Yeah.
It's pretty long.
Should I put another one inside?
Okay. All right. Just don't go poking somebody in the face with this, right?
Can you tie this part?
Okay. Now, one thing about blowing balloons, you all have to learn is how to tie the balloon yourself, right? Okay, we have, I think this looks like a Martian hat to me. What do you think? Okay. All right. Anybody else needs help?
I want to make it.
Okay, come over this side. Let's see. What do you want to do?
I want to make it go over so it's a neat
Okay, like this,
looping this out.
looping over.
Yeah, like this.
And where's the other end going to go? Okay, all right. So what you have to do is again do a bubble. See that?
Okay, so I'm going to do it on this side.
Yes. But do one at a time. Okay? Okay. Did you get it? All right. Loop it around. You got to anchor it. Okay? How are we doing over there? Somebody's making an animal, I see. You're making an animal? Okay, good.
I didn't help with it though.
Okay. Go ahead.
How do you make the squiggly one? I'm trying to.
You have to pump it all the way up. Okay, and then let me have it and I'll help you. It doesn't look like it's pumped all the way up. You know what?
Here.
Okay.
Yeah, tie this.
All right, wait 1 minute. See, this is what I mean by you got to learn how to tie the balloons. Okay, just like that. See that?
Yeah.
Let me put the balloon. Okay, you got to wait because I got to help your friend there. Let me make this. You know this is not inflated enough. We have to inflate it all the way. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop. Guys, don't step on the wires. Get off the wires. You got to. All right. Okay, those of you who finished with your hat, what I want you to do is put your hat on. Just don't step on the wires behind you and just go in front. And we have the judges sitting out there and they can judge, okay? Watch the wires.
Where do we do this?
Put it on your head. All right, whose is this? Oh, this is yours.
Squiggly one. This rally.
Okay. All right, this is the way we do a squiggly. Who's got a squiggly here?
Me. I have one right here.
Oh. All right, hang on. It's a runaway balloon.
Right here.
No, it's right there. See this? Okay. Just watch the wires. Okay, what do you want to do?
I'll make one out of that and put it on.
Where's your other one? I'm trying to think. Was it here? Is that where you want it? This way?
Yeah.
Okay. This boy is very creative. All right. What you have to do is this way. Hang on. Stand right in front here with your hat when you're ready. Okay? All right. I think you're ready. Okay, watch the wires. Walk over. Okay. Now, I'm going to teach you how you make the wiggly. Basically, you have to inflate and then wind it around your finger, and you're going to pump it up for me. Hang on. Okay, let's show. Okay, ready? Pump. If you're ready with your hat, you can stand. Would you like some help? Come next to me. Okay, keep pumping. Okay. You have to inflate it all the way, and then you have to let it go. Okay, you're going to make the, whoa, that's okay. All right, well, let's pick up the pieces. It's always important to pick up the pieces. You can put it on the table for now, and we'll throw it away later, okay? Were you pumping it a little too big? Is that what happened?
No, I'm trying to do the squiggly.
Okay, all right. This is the way you do it. You want to do the expandable hat? Is that what it is? Okay. Basically, you're going to do it this way. You put it opposite, and this goes in, and that comes up. And you kind of have to pull it. Hang on, guys. See that?
How do you add the squiggly?
Oh, you want to do the swivel? Did you blow it up yet? Blow it up all the way, let the air go, and then we'll do the swivel.
All of it? All of it?
Yes, all of it. And then let the air go out, and then we'll do the curl. Okay, how are we doing? All right, judges standing over there, mom, dad, grandpa, grandma, just take a look at the hats very quickly, okay? I think we're going to do a creative category. All right. What other categories should we have, boys and girls? The funniest, okay? And what others? Original, what did you say?
And the creative.
Creative, okay. Creative, original, and funny. Okay, 3.
Floated out.
Okay, this is what we're going to do. All right, we're going to take 2 more minutes. And then after we're done with the balloon hats, Dr. Chang is going to come down, and he's going to teach you how to play bingo. Can you hold the pump? Hold the pump. Okay, all right, you can pump it. Okay. All right. See, that's the way to do it. See that? That's cool, huh? All right, if you're done with your hats, go stand in front. The judges, can you please take note, okay? Maybe you should give yourself numbers so the judges will tell what number is the winner. Okay, oh, here, you can pump. See, what I have to do is put it on your hand, finger, just like that, okay? Yeah, you can put that in. Okay, go ahead. Keep pumping. Don't worry about my finger, just pump. Oh, hang on. You know what? Let's do it again. It'd be easier if you held on to the... Whoa! All right. Don't trip over my wire. Okay, hang on. You got to hold on to this. Oh, put your finger on the end of it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, now you can pump. All right, Jerry, if you're done, you can go ahead and stand by. Watch the wires. Please do not step on the wires. Thank you. Go some more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Oh! You have to hold on to it. Okay, let's try that again.